Good morning, everyone. Today we have to discuss on the structure of monocot fruit or structure of grain in the monocot plant like jawar, maize. Commonly, the grain is a one type of single seeded fruit, single seeded indehiscent fruit. Generally, common people या ग्रेनलाच सीड असं समजतात. कॉमन पीपल, लोकल कॉमन पीपल या गव्हाच्या ग्रेनला किंवा ज्वारीच्या ग्रेनला किंवा मेजच्या ग्रेनला सीड असं समजतात. पण ॲक्च्युअली दॅट इज वन टाइप ऑफ इनडिहायसंट फ्रूट. जे बी जे समजतात त्याच्यामध्ये एक बी असतं आणि त्याच्या भोवताली फ्रूटचं कव्हर असतं, म्हणून त्याला आपण फ्रूट असं म्हणतो. त्याला ज्वारीचा दाना असं म्हणतो, मेजचा सीड म्हणतो, बी म्हणतो, मकाचं बी असं म्हणतो. पण ॲक्च्युअली त्या मध्ये एकच बी असतं आणि त्याच्या भोवताली कव्हर असतं, फळाचं कव्हर असतं, म्हणून ते एक प्रकारचं फळ आहे, सिंगल सीडेड फ्रूट आहे. आणि त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर आपल्याला डिटेलमध्ये स्टडी करायचं आहे. त्या बियामध्ये, त्या फळामध्ये एकच बी कशा पद्धतीनं सुरक्षित ठेवलं गेलेलं आहे. मेजच्या फ्रूटमध्ये एकच बी कशा पद्धतीनं सुरक्षित ठेवलं गेलेलं आहे. ज्वारीच्या किंवा गव्हाच्या फ्रूटमध्ये एकच सीड कशा पद्धतीनं सुरक्षित ठेवलं गेलेलं आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये त्या सीडमध्ये एम्ब्रियो कशा पद्धतीनं सुरक्षित निर्माण झालेला आहे याचा अभ्यास आपल्याला करायचा आहे. So we have to study the structure of the monocot fruit, grain, or it is also known as caryopsis. In the grain or monocot fruit, two main components may distinguish them. Two main components may distinguish them. Hull and seed. Hull and endosperm. Endosperm with embryo. With embryo. Hull and endosperm with embryo. You may also distinguish them into three parts. The monocot fruit may also distinguish for our convenience, for easy study. The monocot fruit may distinguish into three parts or three components such as hull, endosperm embryo. These are the main three parts of the monocot fruit: caryopsis or grain. Now, one by one, we have to study in detail each and every structure, and what is the function of the each structure, and how the embryo is well protected inside the grain. We have to study. First of all, we have to learn about the embryo in the monocot seed. Embryo consists of embryo axis and cotyledon. Embryo axis and cotyledon. In the monocot seed, embryo has only one cotyledon. Only one cotyledon. And this cotyledon is thin and papery. Papery cotyledon is developed in the embryo of the monocot plant. Embryo of the monocot plant possess thin and papery cotyledon, single cotyledon, and this single cotyledon in the monocot embryo is called scutellum. Is called scutellum. एकदल वनस्पतीमध्ये एम्ब्रियोला एकच कॉटिलेडॉन असतो आणि तो ही पेपरी थिन असतो, त्यालाच आपण स्कुटेलम असं म्हणतो. एकदल वनस्पतीच्या बियामध्ये जो एम्ब्रियो असतो, एंगवन असतो, त्याला एकच कॉटिलेडॉन असतो, त्याला आपण स्कुटेलम असं म्हणतो. Scutellum, it is leaf of embryo. Cotyledon is leaf of embryo. And this is the embryo axis. High embryo axis asतो. This is the single node. From the node of the embryo, the leaf-like structure may develop, that is known as scutellum. The embryo axis has a different structure, that is plumule, radical, radical, and the node, single node. In the monocot embryo, the protective structures are developed. In the monocot embryo, protective structures are developed because the embryo is very delicate and it is well protected by developing protective structure. या एम्ब्रियोच्या जसं लहान बाळ जन्माला येतं, जन्माला आल्याबरोबर त्याला टोप्या घालतात है ना, वरून टोपी, खालून टोपी, डोक्याला टोपी, म्हणजे प्रोटेक्टिव्ह स्ट्रक्चर जसं असतं तसं तसं एम्ब्रियोला सुद्धा काय होते, याला टोपी घातली जाते एम्ब्रियोला, मोनोकॉट एम्ब्रियोला. The protective cover of the plumule cap-like structure may develop towards the plumule protective structure. This protect the plumule, the shoot of the embryo, and the cap-like structure developed around the plumule. This protective structure developed towards the plumule, that is known as coleoptile. It is known as coleoptile, and radicle is protected by developing a protective cover cap-like structure, and this structure is called as polyorhiza. This is known as polyorhiza. So such type of embryo is developed inside the monocot seed, and it is very much smaller, present to the one side of the seed or grain. Now how it protected? By developing the seed coat and fruit wall, that we have to study. First of all, this embryo has developed inside the grain or seed, which is well protected by developing such type of protective cover. Such type of protective cover of the fruit wall and seed coat. Such type of structure may developed such type of structure, grain, such type of shape of the grain may observe. Shape of the grain may develop. Grain structure, and to the one side of the grain, embryo is developed. This embryo is separated from the endosperm. Separated from the endosperm by developing a epidermal layer or epithelial layer. This is the epithelial layer or epidermal layer, which is just adjacent to the scutellum. Just adjacent to the scutellum of embryo. This is the epidermal layer of the scutellum and form a layer, single layer of cell known as epithelium. Thelium, or it is also known as epidermal layer. Epidermal layer. This single layer of epidermis of scutellum of embryo may separate the endosperm and embryo. This is the endosperm. nutritive mass of tissue, triploid nutritive mass of tissue, triploid nutritive mass of tissue. Endosperm, endosperm is triploid nutritive mass of tissue. In the endosperm, this is the endosperm. Endosperm. And this structure developed embryo structure developed to the side of the seed or grain or monocot fruit. So endosperm and embryo may well distinguished by developing a epidermal layer. But this epidermal layer performs most important role to survive the embryo properly, to grow the embryo into seedling properly. The epidermal layer performs most important function. So what is the function of the epithelium or epidermal cell? The scutellum cell or epidermal cell secrete special type of enzyme because of which the starchy endosperm undergo digestion, and the digested endosperm may absorb with the help of scutellum, and the embryo may grow into seedling during seed germination. एपिथेलियम लेयर काय करतो, या एंडोस्पर्म वरती विशिष्ट प्रकारचे एन्झाइम सिक्रेट करतो आणि त्या एन्झाइमच्या सहाय्याने या एंडोस्पर्म मध्ये असलेलं स्टार्ची फूड मटेरियल आहे ते स्टार्ची फूड मटेरियल डायजेस्ट होतं. म्हणजे स्टार्च डायरेक्टली ऍब्सॉर्ब करून घेता येत नाही. स्टार्च अंडरगो ब्रेकडाउन इनटू द ग्लुकोज molecule monomers, glucose and fructose, and that digested food material, monomers of carbohydrate, may absorbed by embryo and grow into seedling during seed germination. म्हणजे बियाचं जेव्हा उगवणं सुरुवात होतं त्यावेळेस हा इपिथेलियम लेयर विशिष्ट प्रकारचे एन्झाइम सिक्रेट करतो आणि याचा मधला एंडोस्पर्म डायजेस्ट करतो, पचन म्हणतो आपण त्याला, ब्रेकडाऊन करतो आणि ब्रेकडाऊन केलेला फूड मटेरियल ऍब्सॉर्ब करून घेतो. हे महत्त्वाचा रोल आहे एपिडर्मल लेयर किंवा इपिथेलियम लेयर. अँड द एंडोस्पर्म इज starch food material present in this endosperm. So monocot seeds are endospermic seed. Abundant starchy food material present in the grain. So that grain, such type of grains used as staple food for the human being. आपल्यासाठी लागणारा स्टेपल फूड म्हणून त्याचा वापर केला जातो. म्हणजे याला क्रश केलं जातं आणि पीठ बनवलं जातं, फ्लोर बनवून त्याच्यापासून भाकरी आणि चपात्या बनवतो आपण. ऍक्च्युअली एंडोस्पर्म हा जो एंडोस्पर्म आहे एम्ब्रियो साठी ठेवला गेलेला आहे, पण त्याचा आपण वापर करतो आणि खाऊन टाकतो आपण. असा हा एम्ब्रियो याच्यामध्ये सुरक्षित ठेवला गेलेला आहे. नाउ दिस structure is well protected by developing a single layer of cell. Single layer of cell. Single layer of cell. This is the single layer of cell developed around the endosperm and embryo. This single layer of cell developed around the embryo and endosperm of the cell and it is just adjacent to the endosperm and embryo. Such type of single layer of cell developed. This single layer of cell, single celled layer of cell is developed just adjacent to the endosperm and embryo is known as aleurone layer. Aleurone layer. Aleurone. It is known as aleurone. Aleurone layer. This is the aleurone layer because this aleurone layer cells store special type of protein components. Aleurone layer possesses protein and fat molecules. Protein and fat molecules. Fat food material, protein and fat molecules stores in the aleurone layer. म्हणून बघा गहू किंवा ज्वारी गव्हाचा वापर करतात. कॉमन पीपल काय करतात, काजळ बनवण्यासाठी गव्हाचं तेल काढायला लागतं. गहू धरतात गरम ह्याच्यावरती आणि त्याच्यावरती गरम असं प्रेशर दिलं की त्या गव्हामधलं तेल निघतं बाहेर आणि ते म्हणजे कोणतं असतं, या ॲल्युरोन लेअर मधलं निघतो. प्रोटीन आणि फॅटी मॉलिक्युल्स ते बाहेर निघतात. म्हणून चपात्यामध्ये जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये ॲल्युरोन स्टोर करून ठेवतात, प्रोटीन आणि फॅट. Such type of aleurone layer protect the inner part of the embryo and endosperm of the grain. Now the whole structure is protected by developing a hard cover, outermost hard cover of the grain. Outermost hard cover of the grain or caryopsis formed by fusion of fruit wall and seed pod. This outermost layer of the grain or caryopsis is formed by fusion of seed coat and fruit wall. This common wall developed around the grain, which is formed by fusion of seed coat and fruit wall. And this common wall developed around the grain known as hull. So hull is formed by fusion of seed coat and fruit wall. This common wall developed around the grain known as hull. So such type of seed is well protected by developing a hard cover around the grain. Such type of indehiscent fruit, single seeded fruit in the monocot is known as grain or caryopsis. And it is endospermic seed or albuminous seed. Albuminous seed. If the endosperm is present inside the seed, then it is known as albuminous seed. So such type of structure is developed in the monocot fruit or grain. It is commonly known as calypsis or grain. Thank you.